I'm on my way to a Guatemalan bus that's selling street food here off exit 53 on Long Island. The place is run by a man known as the Big Bear.
I guess I got here at a perfect time because the lines are forming and there's people waiting for their food right there. Chicharrón is making over there. That's them making sandwiches, chicharrones right there. I don't wanna. How you doing? They give you this, so just like the restaurants. It's pretty convenient. Oh, my food is ready. I'm coming. It smells freaking delicious. Cali. Ya me sonó la mía, señora. Sí. Ya, solo eso.
Sí.
Ok. Muchas gracias. Excuse me. Crazy. Now I got my food and I'm about to go eat it at home. Tranquiliz. This is the Big Mac taco. These are some fresh tortillas. And these are the chicharrones, media libra de chicharrón. With some guacamole, I guess they put there on the side. This looks really good, actually. The Guatemalan sandwich, which we're gonna try. Of course, I always need my salsa. I'm so used to Dominican chicharrón, but let's try this. This is Guatemalan chicharrón. See what's that about. A little bit of let's try this one. Just dip it on here. Wow. Delicious.
Anyway.
Delicious.
Thank you.
I should like it better than anywhere around here that makes chicharrón. Now this is a Guatemalan sandwich, or hot dog, whatever you want to call it. It has carne asada, chorizo, it has a bunch of stuff in it. Look at that. Bunch of deliciousness in there. Let's try this now. I don't even know where to start. But wow. Packed with flavor. Taste all the ingredients. Delicious. Delicious.
Anyway.
Delicious.
Thank you.
This is the Big Mac taco. That's what they call it. It has the meat in the bottom. It has the special sauce that they got on there, right? Really good. Oh yeah, the tortillas. I forgot. Let's try this sauce that was added to my chicharrón. Wow. Delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Chicharrón is full of flavor. It's like it's been marinated really well. It tastes delicious. No other way to put it. I like it way better than any Dominican chicharrón spot around here. Even in Manhattan. I said what I said.